Here we have a Singer 327 made in 1964-1965. It's a lovely turquoise green. It has a straight stitch and a zigzag. It has class 66 drop-in bobbins. It uses the lightweight plastic ones. Has a presser foot pressure there, adjustable. Here's the bobbin winder. It has an internal motor. It's all metal on the innards. The only plastic is the little lid right here. It is a very nice machine for basic things, and usually I use a straight zigzag anyway. If you weren't lucky enough to get the manual with one of these, you can go to singerco.com. That's SINGERCO.com, and you go to support and into manuals and enter your model number, and you can download almost all of Singer's manuals for free. So don't pay for a manual for a Singer. Anyway, here we go. Let's see a little test of her stitch. Do a little straight stitch here. And now let's do a little zigzag. Zigzag. And click her off there. And there's a pretty nice little perfectly straight stitch and quite a nice smooth little machine. Hope you like my little video.